Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify your Paysend account step by step. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once done, simply open the app and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Then you want to click on the icon at the upper right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile. Then from here, just simply choose personal info. Then you want to click on your email. Once you do that, Paysend will send a verification email on your email. Just simply confirm on that. And that's it. Your account, your Paysend account will be completely verified. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.